Most people think liquid foundation is better for the skin than powder, but here's something most people don't realize. Most liquid foundations still contain powder. The difference is that those powders are mixed with oils, waxes, silicones, and preservatives to turn them into a liquid. These ingredients help the foundation spread easily, but they can also create a heavier layer on the skin. For many people, especially those with sensitive or reactive skin, that layer can contribute to clogged pores, irritation, or breakouts. True mineral makeup is much simpler. It is made from minerals such as zinc oxide and natural iron oxides. Some mineral foundations may also include ingredients like mica for softness and rice powder, which has been traditionally been used for cosmetics for its cooling and soothing properties. Zinc oxide is well known for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties and is often used for sensitive or acne-prone skin. Because mineral makeup contains fewer ingredients and no heavy waxes or oils, it sits lightly on the skin rather than forming a thick layer. Some people worry that powder foundation may dry the skin, but powder usually only appears drying when the skin has not been properly prepared. Apply a good moisturizing cream first, and the powder melts beautifully into the skin. A light moisturizing cream creates the perfect base for mineral makeup. For example, a calming cream with ingredients such as pure rose water and immortelle essential oil can help soothe the skin while preparing it for the makeup.
Hi my beauties, this is Jan, cosmetic formulator for Purèz Cosmetics. Mineral makeup allows the skin to breathe while still giving beautiful natural coverage. Sometimes the simplest cosmetics are the most skin friendly. Stay beautiful.